Prepare the pot to cook rice porridge with egg. Add a little all. Saute the garlic and onion. Next, saute the grated ginger. Pour in the rinsed rice. Add water to the rice, which will become its broth. Add more water until you reach your desired amount. The amount of broth is just right. Stir well. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and we can add more if it's still bland. Let's taste it. It's still bland, so let's add 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then sprinkle a little pepper. Stir it again. Cover it and let it boil until the rice bursts. Open it and check if the rice has burst. Let's taste it again to see if the flavor is just right. The taste is just right. It's delicious. There, the rice has expanded. Final taste. Perfect. Pour in the 1/3 cup of glutinous rice that I added a little water to. Let's add a little water because it has thickened. Now, let's cook some toasted garlic as a topping for our rice porridge with egg. Add a moderate amount of oil. Add the finely chopped garlic over low heat to prevent it from burning. This is the right color for toasted garlic. It's not burnt. Transfer the rice porridge into bowls.
Let's add the toppings now.
Let's start with half an egg. It's up to you. If you want to add a whole one, add some spring onion. The last one is the toasted garlic. You can add overloaded toppings, such as pork or chicken liver, squid balls, kikiam, and chicharron. Rice porridge with EGG. Do you crave delicious Lugaw like this, simple and affordable? Just say yummy or tasty. Just leave a comment below.